Most people see toys. They see $10 pieces of metal and plastic. But you're here because you know that a 1/64th scale model can hold the weight of $1 billion empire. Today, we aren't just reviewing Tomica Premium. We are dissecting the DNA of the ultra-rich. We're looking at two specific models: the Tomica Premium No. 1 Nismo R34 GTR-Z Tune and the Tomica Premium No. 43 Toyota Alphard. One is a weapon of precision. The other is a sanctuary of time. Let's talk about the Z-Tune framework. In the real world, Nismo didn't build this from a factory line. They bought back 20 used R34s, stripped them to the bone, and rebuilt them by hand. That is the definition of standard that is non-negotiable. Look at this Tomica Premium casting. The front features those iconic clear part headlights and the aggressive vented hood. The material is a heavy, high-quality die-cast metal that feels substantial. No cheap fillers here. Moving to the side, we see the Nismo LMGT4 black wheels. On the back, the signature round taillights and the carbon fiber style wing. Underneath, the base is molded with precision, showing the exhaust path. And yes, it carries the official Nissan Motor Company license. Top founders like Steve Jobs or Elon Musk don't chase 100 average ideas. They chase the 20 units. They focus on one product until it is so perfect it becomes a legend. This is value-based scaling. Nismo didn't want to sell 1 million cars. They wanted to sell 20 masterpieces that defined a decade. When you hold this R34, ask yourself, are you spreading yourself too thin, or are you building your Z-Tune? Now, look at this. The Black Alphard. In Jakarta, Tokyo, or Hong Kong, this is the moving boardroom. The front grille on this number 43 is a massive piece of chrome-painted detail, imposing and authoritative. The sides show the long wheelbase, and the top features the dual sunroof outlines. The rear has the massive vertical lamps. The material is a glossy black pearl finish that reflects the studio lights like a mirror. Most importantly, the moving parts. The side doors slide back with a satisfying mechanical feel. It is officially licensed by Toyota, ensuring every curve of that luxury box is accurate. The lifestyle strategy. Why do billionaires sit in the back of this? Because they don't drive, they buy time. While the world is stuck in traffic, the Alphard owner is in a sanctuary of silence, reducing decision fatigue. They manage energy, not just clocks. This car is a tool to separate themselves from the noise. If the R34 is about the thrill of the hunt, The Alphard is about the clarity of the kill. As an investor, you have to choose. Do you want cash flow or capital gain? The Alphard represents productivity. It's an asset that helps you work better today. But the R34 Z-Tune, that is asymmetry risk. The supply is fixed. The demand is infinite. In the world of diecast and in the world of stocks, the Z-Tune is the asset that grows while you sleep because of its scarcity. Stop buying liabilities that look like assets. If you're buying diecast, look for the premium or limited labels. In business, invest in quality that has a high resale value. Don't just spend, allocate. Oh, it's been a long day of analyzing the 1%. But look at these two. If you want to build a billionaire mindset, get the Alphard to remind you that your time is your most expensive currency. Get the GTR Z-Tune to remind you that being good is the enemy of being legendary. What's on your desk? A toy or a blueprint? You decide. Thanks for watching. Until next time.